The sea. So fascinating. So wonderful. Here we see Bikini Bottom, teeming with life. Home of one of my favorite creatures. SpongeBob SquarePants. Yes, of course he lives in a pineapple, you silly.
I think I'm cooked now, though. I can't help you. He ran away from me.
Yeah, he did! Yeah, he fucking did.
I'm going in their spawn. Got the bastard. It was worth it.
Teleport is gone, by the way.
Yo, TP me high ground. I have Bongo. That was fucking nuts.
Dumbass. Idiot.
Oh, that was sick.
Yeah, it was. What?
I don't know how no one got shattered. Oh my god, that's disgusting, dude. Alright, I'm going back hard because our guy needs help. Might be able to pull away.
I'm gonna fucking die. Oh, I got probably stripped. 3 seconds I have count.
Oh my god. I almost have shatter, dude. Margaret dies. After shield, I shatter. Reaper is blossom. No, he doesn't. Well.
Yeah, there's Reaper behind me. Dead.
No way.
Oh, you fucking nailed that guy! Holy
I have shatter.